Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that developers encounter when working with C++. The need to understand the practical usage of std is constant evaluated, now that if consteval is available in C++ 23. This issue often sparks debates among programmers, wondering if the former function is still relevant in the new landscape of C++ language features. Now, let's explore the solution to this conundrum. According to a paper on the topic, std is constant evaluated is now being deprecated alongside the introduction of if consteval. The reason behind this decision is that the function still holds occasional usefulness, especially in specific scenarios. The worry is that without a standardized version, users might create their own implementations, potentially leading to a plethora of similar functions. Having one reliable std is constant evaluated makes teaching and warning about it much more straightforward. In summary, even with the introduction of if consteval in C++ 23, std is constant evaluated remains a valuable tool in certain situations. Its standardized nature helps in teaching and warning scenarios, ultimately benefiting the C++ community. And with that, it's time to wrap up. If you enjoyed this deep dive into C++ features, remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!